how to make a 3D photo post in Facebook app. So if you want to make a 3D photo post in the Facebook app, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, now you need to go for what's on your mind, which is on the upper right. Tap on it, and then you can add a photo or a video. So simply choose a photo. Once you've choose the photo, now here on the bottom you will have the effects or the filters option, right? So under the effects, what you need to do is you just need to simply tap on the 3D effect. So it will start creating your 3D photo. Wait for some time, and here you will have your 3D photo. So now what you can do is you can simply move your phone to left, right, or like simply you can move your phone and you will have the effect. So that's how you can make your 3D effect photo. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.